Hey guys, napansin niyo ba na as we age, maraming tayong nararamdaman sa ating katawan na kung minsan nagsisimula lahat sa ating digestive system. To be honest, most of the diseases na meron tayo ngayon talaga ay nanggagaling mismo sa ating digestive system. Pag hindi maayos ang digestive system, diyan nagsisimula yung hypertension, kidney failure, liver disease, colon cancer, and whatnot. So, as we grow older, we really need to have something to support our digestive systems. At isa na dyan yung mga tinatawag nating mga pagkaing mayaman sa probiotics. Like for example, kimchi, yogurt, and all this kind of stuff. Pero kung wala ka namang time para bumili ng mga ganong bagay, and why not just use something na pwede mo namang inumin through capsule. So ito yung tinatawag na simple supplements probiotics na talaga namang para sa akin naging effective siya kasi madalas constipated, minsan naman nagkaka-diarrhea kasi probably hindi maganda yung gut health natin. So just to make sure na talaga namang healthy ang gut health nyo, subukan nyo to. Just try it and you will see the difference in a few weeks time. So all you need to do is just click on the yellow basket and always remember this is so effective but not expensive. All right? Thanks.